I'm trying to recreate this CYBERPUNK PC for an amazing cyberpunk photographer, Dylan, aka Picklefig Photo. So last week I painted most of the PC, and this week we're gonna go ahead and finish the remaining pieces, slap it all together, and then we're gonna go ahead and mount this mask to it. We're gonna see how we're gonna do this bad boy. It's gonna be a little challenging, so let's go do it. But first we need to take Jax for a walk. He loves his morning walks. And then we have this open space here that we can just kind of run around, and he loves to chase his prairie dogs. All right, buddy. You ready? Stay. Stay. Ready? Go run. Go. Go run. Come. He loves his treats. He's a good listener. Good boy off leash. Just need to make sure there's no other dogs around, right? All right, go. Go run. Good boy. Good boy, bud. Good boy. You want some treats? Good boy. Let's go. We just went for a walk, buddy. Why you got the zoomies? Why do you got the zoomies? Huh? Jeez. We just got back from a walk. Why aren't you tired? Crazy boy. So I went to go print a vinyl for the bottom piece, this bad boy right here. And because on one side we're gonna have like the distance scale numbers, kind of like you see on a lens. Since he takes photos, thought that'd be really cool to have those numbers on there and kind of like the distance scale and stuff like that. Yeah, really cool, until my vinyl printer does not print that small. Needed to go like on here, so yeah, we're gonna have to pivot. But you know what we'll do is pretty cool. We're just gonna do this kind of on both sides. All right, I've printed out the stencils for both sides now, and I'm gonna go ahead and remove those little stickers of the pieces that we actually want to print, or we actually want to paint. So I'm gonna go ahead and slap on kind of like that stencil using this vinyl. Seemed to work a little bit better for the other pieces in the part 1 video. One of the back end pieces kind of needed to stay in place a little bit more, so I used some transfer tape. If you wanted to put that on top of the actual sticker, and then that will keep everything in place. And then you remove that transfer, you put the sticker on, and then you remove that transfer tape, and then everything will stick like you want and will kind of stay in place. So first up, we're gonna go ahead and paint the pineapple part, and then we're gonna go ahead and then we're gonna prepare the other parts to get turquoise paint. All right, she's ready for the paint job. Got her all taped up and ready to rock. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw some white down first as a good primer, and then I'll do the separate colors on each side. Let's go do it. I'm gonna lay down some white primer like I did before. It kind of makes that color pop even more to have that base coat of white. So let's go ahead and lay that down, and then we'll throw down our pineapple color and then get ready to get the parts ready for turquoise. This front right piece here has some fine lines, and so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna print out the vinyl, and then we're gonna go ahead and throw down transfer tape so everything kind of sticks together and stays in place. And then we're gonna go ahead and put that right on that front right piece because we want those lines and the other sections to be turquoise. Then we're gonna go ahead and throw down the turquoise piece on this front right piece, and also on the bottom piece that needs that turquoise. All right, here's the finished result of the front right. Threw down some turquoise, and then also threw down this little sticker here, the first part of the vid. The part 1 video kind of described why we're doing this sticker, because my vinyl cutter, you know, probably won't do good in this intricate, and also with the multicolor, the turquoise and the pink, including all that. So we went stickers here, so I think that turned out pretty good. And then the bottom piece here, that turned out pretty good with the turquoise and the pineapple. And then the other side is pretty much the same thing. And then we might throw down this sticker here where we're gonna do on the, where we had the pivot, because we were gonna do some camera stuff. This one's a dial. I think I might still throw that on there once. Maybe we'll see. I don't know. All right, we finished all the pieces. So we got all the 2 sides done. We got the 2 front ones done. And then we have the top and the bottom ones done. So now all we have left, we're gonna have to beat them all up, because it's cyberpunk, you know? You gotta beat it up, look distressed a little bit. Nothing's ever clean, and really kind of goes to the theme. So I have a lot of good ideas of how we're gonna do this. It may or may not involve maybe like one of these Insta360 X4, one of these cameras here. I just got this brand spanking new, hot off the press. These things are gonna be sweet. This is gonna be a nice little action cam. It's gonna capture a lot of kind of what I wanna do here to how to distress this. We're gonna go a little crazy. This also may involve, you know, maybe like a little selfie stick. Also got a little chest strap here, so I don't know, we're gonna get a little crazy. We're gonna see what we're gonna do, and my daughter may or may not get involved too, so we'll see how we're gonna distress this. And then we also have to, once we do that, we're gonna put a little clear coat over the top of all that, so kind of still protect it. I know we're gonna beat it up and then throw a clear coat over it, but it's for the effect, so I still wanna kind of throw a clear coat to kind of protect it all a little bit for, you know, whatever, maybe we don't even have to, whatever. I'm gonna deal with it. And then we need to put it all together, and then we're gonna go ahead and throw this mask on the case somehow. But, you know, I always have high hopes of what I'm going to accomplish in this week. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to accomplish any of the stuff that's left here, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna keep rolling on with these weekly videos of how I'm doing this. So let me know down in the comments if you actually like seeing these kind of behind the scenes, doing more consistent videos of, you know, just showing you guys what I'm working on and why it's taking so long for some of my videos, why I can't get things out. So see you guys next week.